Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to delete LinkedIn account permanently. Go to your LinkedIn account. Click on your profile. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Account Preferences and scroll down. Click on Close Account. Click on Continue here. And then, choose the reason here why you want to delete your account. Click on Next, and then enter your password on your LinkedIn account. You can also check the box here to unsubscribe your email on LinkedIn. After that, click on Done here. And that's it. I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!